Multisport is a manufacturer and distributor of all types of cleaning compounds.
And we sell janitorial products that we, some that we manufacture and others that we purchase from various manufacturers, which we sell to all types of industries. My name is Terry Schneider. I am the owner, founder, and president of Chemco Industrial Products, Inc., and founded back in 1978.
My name is Larry, and I came in as a separate manufacturer, and I started making more of his products. And then we eventually decided to merge. And that's where we decided, to become one large company where we're doing all the manufacturing and distribution under one family name, which is Chemco Multisport. Primarily, my main capacity is chemist. And I also, because I'm one of the owners of the company, I take on all facets of the company, everything from customer service to shipping to production control and anything else that comes down, in my area.
Our customers mainly are the sports and health club industry, and we sell actually nationwide. Some of our product lines seem to do well and are purchased all across the country. We have done some international selling as well.
My name is Sarah Selman. I am the Health and Fitness Director here at the YMCA in Stoughton. When I started here, when we were a Jewish community center, we were using Chemco, and throughout my time here, we've slowly expanded the number of products that we use from Chemco Multisport. When dealing with Chemco, it feels to me just like familiar faces, familiar people, familiar voices. So you can always call and know you're going to get somebody that you are familiar with. It's never going to be a stranger, and they're always going to be really willing to go above and beyond when dealing with you.
One of the things we do is we really work with our clients and try to make them happy, and our customer service is one of the things that we really, as a family business, pride ourselves on. I'm looking up your account. It looks like you're okay on conditioner right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a note in your account to call you in about 2 weeks, because that looks like when you're gonna need your next order.
Customers place orders, I would say 90% of them place it by phone, of which I tend to handle a lot of those. Other orders are taken by salespeople and submitted to us directly. They have control of our software as well, and they send the orders in, and I enter them directly into our software, into the computer, and process the orders electronically.
The products that we manufacture are actually manufactured in our building. My partner, who is a chemist, was the original actual physical manufacturer of the products.
I have to schedule production. I have to see that we have enough product on the floor. I have to see that we have enough raw materials available to create the manufacturing, etc.
Today, actually, my son Evan does some of the manufacturing.
My name is Evan, and here at Chemco Industrial, also known as Multisport, I do most of the soap manufacturing. It's really not as hard as people make it out to be in the real world. First, when mixing an average batch of soap, without getting into too much detail, you have to add chemicals to get it ready for the raw shampoo base. What I am adding to the mixture right now is a thickener. After the concoction has been mixing for a fair amount of time, I add the raw shampoo base and fragrance. After everything is said and done, our final product is prepped for filling. I check the pH just like you check the pH in a swimming pool. Once adjusted, the product is ready to be filled, boxed, and sent on its way. The average batch of shampoo usually takes about 3 to 4 hours to mix, depending on the type of product. Sometimes if we're making a different, like a specialty product, it could be as little as an hour or 2 hours. When all 45 or 46 cases are on the pallet, it's time to clean up the vat for the following mix and wheel our product out to the shipping floor. When you're in a small business, you do a lot of things, and I do shipping, manufacturing, organization, management, maintenance, whatever needs to be done. Usually I get the go-ahead to go make a batch of soap after it's processed by the customer.
Depending upon where the order is being delivered to, will determine whether or not it's being delivered by us or by UPS or by common carrier. It depends upon what's in the order, the size of the order, and if we're shipping drums, that has to go by common carrier. If it's going, small items, which is what we primarily ship, cases and things of that nature, we would normally ship that by UPS.
Sometimes we're just answering phone calls and taking orders, and hopefully sometimes we're actually making sales going out into the various areas of Boston that we sell to.
I get phone calls all the time. I get them in the morning, late at night, and I think they just feel really trusting of us and confident in us.
It's a question of how hard you try.